Hi, I'm Nicola from the Grays Retreat and I'm here to show you how to use the Precleanse. Okay, so let's get ready. The Precleanse is your makeup remover. It's the first product you use of your whole routine, first thing at night and the first thing in the morning. Okay, so I'm just gonna get ready. Okay, so this is your Precleanse. You apply it to dry skin and over the top of your makeup. Working it into your creases, between your nostrils. Go straight over your lips. If you've got lash extensions as I have, then you want to keep it off of your lashes because it will dissolve the glue and you will lose your lashes. So avoid your lashes. You can use Ultra Calming Cleanser over the eyes. If you've got lash extensions, that won't dissolve the glue, but Precleanse will. So Precleanse is removing any SPF on your skin, all the makeup. And makeup mostly nowadays is water resistant and sweat resistant, so it does stay really well, makeup does. So the Precleanse is there to help you make sure you're cleaning everything off of your skin. Now don't forget, neck, across your shoulders and your chest area. We apply perfume to this area, so we have to make sure that we're removing everything off of there. And obviously pollution in the air will attach itself to any part of the skin that's on show, so don't forget. So once you've massaged in the Precleanse, you're then going to add water over the top. So dampen your hands down with water and then you're going to apply. And you'll see it goes kind of a creamy white colour. So you're going to emulsify it with plenty of water. You can do this in the shower and just step out of the running water and then massage water over your skin and then use sponges to remove it. Again, step out of the water, the running water, dampen your sponges down and then use your sponges to remove the residue. Or in the evening, or if you want to, you can use it over a basin of water. I'm just going to add a little bit more water to it. And you can see it's lifted all of my makeup off my skin. Okay, grab some sponges, damp down your sponges, and then make sure you're removing it all from your skin. There we go. That's how to use the Precleanse. There'll be more information in the link below. Thank you.